The Kindness Book by Todd Parr. What is kindness? Kindness is thinking about people's feelings and helping them feel good. Being kind makes you feel good too. Kindness is reading a bedtime story to someone you love. Kindness is taking care of your community. Kindness is holding the door open for someone. Kindness is listening. Kindness is keeping others safe. Kindness is free. Kindness is watching out for someone around you. Ouch! Oops! Kindness is holding hands. Kindness is being there when someone needs you. Kindness is taking care of yourself. Kindness is helping things grow. Kindness is saying something nice. Thank you for being my teacher. Kindness is not hurting someone's feelings. Kindness is saying sorry. We're sorry. Let's be friends. Be kind to yourself. Kindness is remembering everyone's feelings are important. Kindness is welcoming someone new to the family. Kindness is giving a bug a hug. Kindness is saying hello to someone new. Kindness is saying thank you to those who help others. Kindness is being nice to animals. Kindness is letting others be who they are. Kindness is cheering someone up when they are sad. It's easy to be kind. There are many ways to be kind. Don't forget to be kind to yourself. The end. Love, Todd.